In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find quiz answers in a Microsoft Forms quiz. By the end, you'll know exactly where to view the correct answers you set, how to review what respondents submitted, and how to export everything to a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your work or school account if prompted. From the Forms home screen, locate and open the quiz you want to review. If you have a lot of forms, you can switch between your personal forms and shared forms, or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once your quiz opens, you'll land on the design area. To view the answer key you created, go to the Questions tab and click any question. In Microsoft Forms quizzes, each multiple choice question can have a designated correct answer. The choice with the small green check mark next to it is the one you marked as correct. This is helpful for quickly confirming your settings before sharing the quiz or after you've made edits. If a question doesn't show a check mark, that typically means it's not set up as a scored choice question, or it's a free response item where you'll review answers manually. Now, let's see what your respondents submitted. Switch to the responses area and click View Responses. From there, choose Review Answers to drill into the details. This review view lets you step through submissions in an organized way, especially helpful if you're grading open-ended responses or verifying partial credit. While you're in Review Answers, pay attention to the two views across the top, People and Questions. The People tab shows results one respondent at a time, so you can walk through an individual's answers from start to finish. The Questions tab lets you analyze one question across all respondents, making it easy to spot patterns, common mistakes, or items that may need rewording. If you want a complete data set for reporting or archiving, select Open in Excel. This generates a spreadsheet with each submission as a row and each question as a column. It's perfect for sorting, filtering, creating charts, or combining results from multiple quizzes. If you're using Excel for the web, your file will open directly in the browser. On desktop, it'll open in your installed Excel app. That's it. You've seen where to confirm the correct answers with the green check mark, how to review respondents' choices, and how to export everything to Excel for deeper insights.